You are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to connect to folder and add data in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So the first thing to do is to create a folder wherever at your preferred locations and put your data inside. So in this exercise, I want to use two methods. So I'll create two different folders and put data inside the two of them. So let me just create my folder on desktop, right click and go to new folder. So let me just name it example 1. Then I'll create another folder, right click again, new folder, and call it example 2. So I have two folders, example 1 and example 2. So let me just bring in data into these two folders. So in this place I have a shapefile of word divided. So let me bring this data, let me bring it into this example 1. Yes, then this another data set, this word, let me bring it inside example 2. Oh, sorry for that, inside example 2. Yes, so inside this folder I have this example 2, I have data inside, and also inside this example 1, I have data inside as well. Now let's go to ArcGIS interface. So what you want to do is to connect to folder and add data. So number one way is to click on catalog. Click on catalog. Here you see folder connection. These are the folders I've connected to. So to connect to a folder, you click on this icon, connect to folder. Click connect. So when you click on connect, it will ask you where the folder is. In this exercise, it's on my desktop. I'll click on my desktop. So I'll scroll down. Example 1. I want to connect to example 1. I'll click example 1 and click on OK. So once I click on OK, the folder will be connected. This is it. It has been connected on desktop. Example 1 has been connected. So I can now check this, see the data inside. Then I can now bring it in. So it will be loaded. You can see now. So this is one way of connecting to folder and adding data to ArcGIS interface. Number 2 way is that you can click on this add data. It will bring add data interface. So from here you click on connect to folder, this icon, connect to folder. Then the folder is on my desktop. I click on desktop. I'll scroll down. So we are using example 2 now. So click on example 2 and click on OK. It will take you directly to that very folder. So click on the data inside and click on add. So it will be added. So you can see now the data I was able to connect to my folder, I brought in this first data. Then I used the second method to connect to my folder and I brought in the data inside. So this is how to connect to folder and add data to ArcMap or ArcGIS. Please like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching this video.